Here's your teams. Number 14 is going right now. You guys should know what teams you got. This is 14. All right. 14 going right now. Yeah, I do 4 at a time. Fucking mess. Alright. The whole setup's got me fucked up, Steve. But I'll get used to it. Yeah, I got 4. I got 4 pouches in. I'm a mess. I used to do a long cut, but I was doing legit, like, 2 lips was the whole tin. At least I got 4 lips out of a tin now doing pouches, so. There we go, 14. Yeah, I'm a fucking mess. All right. Guys, 15 through 18. Going next. Boxes are sick, huh? Alright. Here we go. Good luck. I saw who's next. 7 of 50, Josh Allen. These cards are nice. How about that, kid? For the Jags, Common Falco. Minshew, kid, the stash. 47 of 49. Minshew. Go. Next up, to 49 again. Hakeem Butler for the Cards. Nick, what up? For the Cards, Hakeem Butler. Last hit of this pack. To 25, Teddy Bruschi. Teddy Bruschi for the Pats. All right, next up. Fournette, 57 of 75. This is number 14. Clayton Dawson. Clayton Dawson. I think the jersey's on the back. Yep. All right. Zach Thomas. That one is to 49. Last up. What? To 35. How about that, kid? Carson Wentz. Nice hit. Stuff's nice. 30 of 35, Carson Wentz. Who had the Eagles? Someone just got them. Common again. Common, you just slayed this box, buddy. Wow. Jesus. You hit the Wentz. Dude, you hit the Wentz and you hit the fucking Minshew. Dawson. Hakeem Butler. Stash. Josh Allen. Wow. There you go, buddy.